Arenacross has done it. They put out the first, I guess, official class for the Stark Varg, and I don't know how you feel about this. Comment down below. You guys tell me, are you for electric bikes, against electric bikes? Do you think they should be racing each other? Should it be separate classes entirely? Like I said, comment down below. But Arenacross did say, quote, today, or on their Instagram for Arenacross USA. Arenacross introduces groundbreaking X Pro class. Get ready in a new era in AMA sanctioned racing with the 2025 Arenacross Series, 2025 Kicker Audio Clash, including the X Pro class with Stark Varg electric bikes. So to me, this sounds like it's only Vargs. It's only Starks. It's not going to be any other companies coming in. Not, I mean, obviously not a lot of people have full electric race bikes at this point, but they continue to say, we believe the X Pro class will not only showcase the future of Arenacross, but also ignite fresh interest in the sport. And that's from Sean Smith, the Arenacross Promotions. I don't know. I don't know. I don't hate this. I think they're really cool. Like, for what they are, I don't see a problem with them having their own classes, or even just like, why not have a full, I don't know, a full class for it. You could have any company that makes an electric bike. They can race against each other. Who cares? And even if you wanted to, you could do an open class. Electric, 450, doesn't matter. If you want to run it, you can go and run it, which would probably be the best way of doing it. Keep them separate and then have a class for anybody who wants to try. Obviously, I think they make something like 80 horsepower, so they're probably more powerful than any of the 450s, and you kind of lose a little bit of the fun without the noise, but obviously they weigh a lot more than a normal bike too. So there's the pros and cons to everything. A lot of torque, probably less of a top end kind of thing. But I don't know, like I said, comments down below. This is what I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of this? Obviously, this is Arenacross, so not full Supercross yet. Smaller tracks, smaller jumps and everything. But do you think something like this is good? Do you think Supercross could have something like this also, where they could, anybody who's making an electric bike can run in the electric class, or they have an open where they, run whatever you want? But like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Give me your opinions, because it really does help me out while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.